Welcome to Gayatri Construction Machinery, manufacturer and supplier of construction machinery. The company was incepted in 2008 at Ahmedabad. Our advanced infrastructural setup and stringent quality control norms help us to grab maximum customer satisfaction. Shriji Engineers and Iswari Krupa Engineering India are some of our esteemed clients, and we are supported by advanced R&D division and highly diligent workforce. We offer a wide variety of road construction equipment, hopper and stand-type concrete mixer machines. Road construction equipment and trowel machines offered by us are extremely reliable. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of concrete mixer machines and spares parts that are available at industry-leading prices. Hopper and stand-type concrete mixer machines are well known for their durability. Our construction machine spare parts and yokes are widely acclaimed in the market. We are one of the large manufacturers and exporters of construction machine drums and road construction material trolleys. For more details about us and our products, please visit www.gayatryconstructionmachineryindia.com.